Gamepad. It usually has two analog sticks, a directional pad, face buttons, and shoulder triggers. Gamepads became popular with systems like the PlayStation and Xbox, offering a balanced layout for many types of games. Their design allows players to move characters smoothly while performing actions at the same time, which is why they are used across nearly every genre today. Joystick. This controller features a single stick that pivots from a base, often paired with one or more buttons. It was widely used in early arcade machines and flight games. The joystick gives precise directional control, especially in games where movement flows freely instead of snapping to fixed directions. It still appears in simulation setups where that style of control feels more natural.